Welcome back to the channel where no intro is needed. It is full of hard times and pain. And today is no different with the safety door issue. So we got the call of a safety door malfunction, machine won't reset, and they cannot proceed. So let's figure this out. We want to move on, get moving with this product, but we cannot move forward until this gets reset. According to ancient legend, as soon as you close the door, this light will go blink, and this status light will glow orange and stay solid. Allegedly, of course. So let's go ahead and have a look. Currently, that's what a good door looks like. So here we are at the naughty list. This door is engaged and latched, and we are flashing, and we cannot reset. We'll go ahead and give it one more shot for good measure. Disengage, open, pull. And here we are. We'll try to close this door one more time to see if we can get it right. Door closed, engage, and no, we are indicating a flash. We have a status light flashing, which usually means that a condition has not been met. Now we have to find out which condition has not been met. Is it internal or is it digital? There's only one way to find out. So I did notice that these safety door modules have an address. I'm assuming that's a terminal address instead of a digital address inside of a PLC. So the first thing I want to do is give this guy a toe tag. So now we have gotten this guy nice and toe tag so we can identify him as a problem child. So the idea is to use a known good module and swap it with an alleged bad module. And we will see if the problem follows. So let the surgery begin. So now that I got the connector off, we're going to look for all the little hiding spots for these bolts. Ah, and there we got one. Now where can be the other one? Well, it turns out in order to get to the other one, you have to remove this whole bottom plate with the connector. These are actually really nice modules, but they give you a hard time. There is one, and here goes two. And now I think we're ready to remove this connector plate. And there she be. Wow, look at that. So now that I have my connector plate loosened and removed out of the way, I have access to the actual 1 and 2 bolts that hold this unit in. Well, it turns out that I made a huge mistake before I actually took the power connector out and started removing the housings in order to access the bolt. I forgot to open the door. Can't blame me, I went to public schools. In order to compensate for my failures, I'm gonna loosely plug this back in and add a couple of threads with no Vaseline. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So now that I have my bottom access plate secured, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this terminal in. So now that we're fully threaded up and connected, I am going to open this door. Now I can begin the process of taking this plate off again. They're not sending their best. So I'm hoping to remember the process of this procedure so I don't get it wrong twice in one day. Now that we have the first module loose, we are about to remove it. Front profile, side, and the back. Twerk it, girl, twerk it. So now it's time to remove the bad one, but I'm gonna make damn sure that I open this door before I start. Okay, so we have got all the hardware removed, and it's time to remove the bad boy. Now we're gonna go ahead and see how this problem child acts when he's in a new land. First bolt, and second bolt. Get the connector in. Okay, so we're starting to get some juice. So now we're fully connected. So now we can actually close the door and see if the problem follows. Sure enough, the problem is still there. So it looks like whatever connectivity issues this module has is internal somewhere in the latching device. So I'm going to do what any sane person would do when they have no parts and an issue on their hand. We're going to steal it from an entirely different machine, since the other module absolutely refuses to assimilate in its new location. Before we begin the migration process, I am going to label and identify the new module. So now that I have the new stolen module in place, let's see if we can cheat the system. Looking good. Looking good. So we now have a solid status light. That means all conditions have been met. Let's see if the door opens. Nice. So it looks like we dodged a bullet on that one. Now that we are temporarily functional, I will order another module and install it as soon as it gets. Until the next one, guys, stay safe out there.